armature rig. Then hit shift and select the armature rig, as shown in our tutorial. Left mouse button click the figure, hold shift, left mouse button click on armature protruding from the head. With the mouse cursor in 3D viewport editor, press Ctrl P, Ctrl then P. It's gonna be showing up this menu over here, set parent to. Then to display the set parent to menu and select the with automatic weights. With should be going over armature deform. This choice is among choices of the armature deform because we are working on rigging. So just go over with, click on with automatic weights like this. Just wait some seconds. It's gonna be doing the process. In assigning automatic weights, a new armature modifier is assigned to the mesh figure in properties editor. So now let's deselect the mesh figure and the armature in 3D viewport editor. Click over here. Then select the armature like this. Go into pose mode and select the rotate individual bones to pose the figure. Go over here, select this, switch to pose mode like this. So now let's try to rotate and move some individual bones like this. For example, the bone of this arm. Rotate and we have this, and that's pretty amazing, and you can see it. You can see what we have done over there. So rotate it like this. It's gonna be moving our character like this, and that's pretty amazing. When you employ the automatic mesh assignment, two things happen. An armature modifier is added to the mesh, and vertex groups are created in the mesh and assigned to each bone in the armature. Go over, so let's explain it step by step. With the mesh selected in the object mode like this, go over here, switch to object mode. With the mesh selected object mode, go to the properties editor as shown here, and you can see in data buttons vertex groups tab, and you will see the vertex groups. Go over here, I think data buttons over here. You can see in the vertex groups, scroll up, scroll down, these have created different bones and assigned them to different vertex groups as shown here. This is a scroll bar at the right hand side of the vertex group panel, or expand the panel like this. You can expand it also. So let's explain what can vertex groups do. Vertex groups may be used for correcting incorrect mesh deformation. This is accomplished by selecting a vertex group and employing the weight paint tool to clean up the connections between the mesh and the vertex groups, referred to the section on the weight painting. So in a complicated rig like this, as well as incorrect mesh assignment, there may be parenting issues which require addressing. Detailed tutorials provide instruction for correcting such issues, but at this stage, just be aware that automatic processes do not always provide perfect results. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next section to continue.